Aren't you smile differently in selfies? You talk differently with teachers. You behave differently when relatives visit the house. But have you ever asked yourself who the real you is? The sociologist who answered this was George Herbert Mead. Mead said your personality is not born naturally. Society slowly creates it. As a child, you copied parents, cartoons, and superheroes. Then you started playing roles like teacher, doctor, and police officer. And slowly, without realizing it, you began caring about one thing. You began asking, what will people think about me? That is exactly how the self develops. Mead explained this through the ideas of I and me. I is the original you, funny, free, and natural. Me is the social you, the version controlled by rules, society, and opinions. Most people spend their whole life balancing between these two. Mead didn't just explain society, he explained you. Follow at Sociology in 60 seconds on Instagram. Subscribe on YouTube for more sociology content.